When the toilet is gurgling, usually it can be if only two things. You have a clog down the line somewhere, or you have a venting issue. The toilet or any fixture with a P trap, which toilets have traps, if they're not vented correctly, they're going to gurgle, and the air's got to find somewhere to go. So if you have a clog, you know, before your vent, the air has nowhere to go, so it's going to come back up into the toilet and start gurgling. Same thing for any other fixture. It's usually either a clog or a venting issue.